Tawakkul on Allah, putting your trust and reliance on Allah, means this exactly. It means you do everything you can. Whatever the outcome, you think of four things. Four things that will keep you going, inshallah. One, whether good or bad, Allah has a plan for me. The outcome happens and you say, Subhanallah, Allah has a plan for me. I am certain He has a plan. Number two, if it's a suffering that happened to you, say 100% good is going to come out of this suffering I'm going through, and it will. Or number three, this suffering is a test for me. I know this is a test from Allah. It's possibly a test for my hereafter. I will pass it and I will not let it overcome me. And number four, it is a learning opportunity from the mistakes and decisions that I made. Is it a bad thing that if you learn from your bad decisions? Can you imagine everybody making perfect decisions? Is that possible? So